And haters will say it's a sew-in, but nah, boo. It's crochet, human hair crochet. Come on in, girl, let's chat. Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. And new hair, who this? My name is JoJo, also known as JoJo Styles on these internet streets. And over here on my corner of the internet, I'm here to remind you that you can juggle life, career, and business while looking stylish, of course. I know you can tell your girl is feeling herself. It has been forever since I have done any type of hair content on this channel. I could not help myself but to share these hair deets with y'all because, baby, crochet hair has had me in a chokehold. Now, this has been my go-to protective style this summer, and it's giving that it's gonna take me through the fall and winter because, baby, do y'all see these curls? Quite literally obsessed. In this video, I'm gonna be spilling all the deets on this hair, as well as how I styled it, the products I used to achieve this looks, and just the whole 411. So if this hair is giving you all the feels like it's giving me, keep watching. So never did I ever think I would be back wearing crochet hair, and I must have been under a rock because I didn't even know that human crochet hair existed up until a couple months ago. My protective style of choice is normally braids, but because of my recent postpartum hair loss, as well as being diagnosed with seborrheic psoriasis, I had to find a low tension hairstyle. And y'all, I tried crochet hair and I have quite literally been obsessed ever since. Now, this hair is from QVR hair. The hair comes packaged just like this, and the curl pattern that I have is 𝐂𝐿𝐿. The color is T1B30 and the length is 18 inches. And this is 100% human hair. Yes, y'all, 100% human hair. This hair came pre-colored, the color that you guys see. And y'all, when I say I am in love, I am quite literally obsessed. I told y'all I can't keep my hands out of my hair. As you guys can see straight out the pack, the hair is soft, it's bouncy, the curls are beautiful, y'all. They are just so light and full, and the hair is full from top to end. This is how much hair comes in the bundles. You guys can see it's a good amount of hair. At least I think it comes with a good amount of hair. The hair is just soft, the curls are bouncy and beautiful. Now, the hair does come pre-separated, and I think that is perfect. It makes it very easy to install the hair. And what I also love is when you separate the hair from like the bundle of hair, that the curl still stays intact. The curl does not separate, it still stays together, and we love that. In addition to, of course, the hair coming in the packet also comes with this plastic crochet tool. Now, I personally did not use that plastic crochet tool, but if you do not have like a standard crochet tool at home, that is a go-to option as well. Now, let's go ahead and talk about braid pattern before installation, because, baby, a braid pattern is key depending on the level of versatility you're trying to achieve with your crochet hairstyle. Now, for me personally, I was going for a super protective hairstyle. Like I told you guys, I have, you know, just some different things going on with my hair, so I personally didn't choose to leave any hair out. Now, my braider who normally braids my hair did my braid down, and I just went with a super easy traditional braid down, nothing super complex, just real simple. I did smaller braids in the front, and what we did was connect two of those braids into a larger braid for the back half of my hair. And the reason why I chose that braid pattern is because I personally like the fullness of my hair to be more in the front and not really focus in the back, and that just works best for me. Now, I have seen some of the girlies get real versatile and creative with their braid pattern. They leave their edges out, they even leave a leave out like a sew-in, and even hair in the back so that they can put their hair up in ponytails and do half up, half downs and all of the things. So depending on your level of versatility that you're trying to achieve with your hairstyle, pick the braid pattern that suits best. We're gonna leave it at that. Installing the hair was super easy. I personally had 5 packs, but I only installed 4 packs, and you guys can see I had a little bit of hair left over from that 4th pack of hair. Now, I personally love the fullness of the hair. I love the fullness that I have going on, but if you want your hair to be fuller, I would go ahead and suggest getting 5 packs of hair. Now, really quickly, here are the products and tools that I use, and girl, you do not need much. First things first, you're gonna need a standard crochet tool. I have a edge brush, a detangling brush. You're gonna need edge control, your curling cream of choice, and your spray bottle. As far as installation, y'all, installation is a breeze. I personally am not a hairstylist. I'm not an expert in doing my own hair, so y'all, you don't need to be very versed in doing your own hair or anything like that. I was able to install this crochet hair by myself in 2 hours, probably even a little under 2 hours. There are tons of tutorials on YouTube that show you very easily how to install crochet hair, and y'all, it is as easy as they make it seem in the tutorial. So installation was super stress-free and very easy, and if I can install it, girl, you can install it too. Now, step 1 is going to be installing the hair, and step 2 is going to be styling the hair. You are going to have to style this hair. You guys can see the difference of how the curls in the hair looks once I finish installing it versus how it looks once I style it. And that's how you are going to really achieve the beautiful curls that this hair has to offer. Once I have the hair installed, I go in with my detangling brush and I comb out the curls that the hair came with. And don't worry, y'all. Do not worry. I was a little nervous myself when the hair came out of the pack. I was like, it comes together, y'all. You're going to spray that hair with water. You are going to comb out those curls, and you are going to go in with your curly cream of choice. I personally went with a cream and not a gel because I was going for more a braid out look. Depending on how you want your curls defined, you are going to go in with your curling product of choice. But yes, y'all, I just absolutely love how the curls turned out. You guys can see how easily that my detangling brush is coming out, how those curls are clumping and just transforming, y'all. Juicy, bouncy, just gag. Now, once you detangle your hair, I just went in and cut and framed the hair to my liking. This hair is just absolutely beautiful, but the real beauty comes when you actually take your time to kind of bring out those curls and go in with product. And you're gonna treat this hair just like you would your natural curly hair, where you have to go in and just give your curls a little moisture and a little extra TLC. Once you take your time to really define the curls, y'all, the hair and the final result is just absolutely beautiful. You guys can see just even with the product, and my hair is still kind of damp with the product, that the hair is still bouncy, it is still soft, it is still lightweight, and the hair is just everything. Like, y'all see the material, y'all see the material. I am very, very pleased with the results. I cannot wait to see how the hair is going to hold up just as I wear it, because personally, I love curly hair the older it gets. I don't know if that's just me, but I just love how curly hair ages. All in all, just straight out the pack, my initial thoughts is, girl, it's a 10 out of 10. And I'm loving it. This hair just really gives me the confidence boost that I need in order to show up, and it is a very low effort, which you know we are all about over here on this side of the World Wide Web. So again, if you guys are looking for something super low maintenance, giving the braids a break, because like I told you guys, I'm a braid girl, then this is definitely a must try, y'all. And y'all can see I cannot keep my hands out of my hair. Y'all, did y'all used to get in trouble for messing with your hair when your mama was doing it, but you just love your hair so much and she ain't want you to touch it? That's what it's giving. If you guys have any questions about the hair, how it is holding up, what products I use, all of the things, drop them down in the comments. It's tea. Let me know if I'm tripping in the comments. Let me know if I'm tripping, if I'm doing too much. But y'all, I quite honestly am obsessed. A shout out to QVR hair for the goods, because y'all see the material. Y'all see the material. The hair is giving. I'm loving it. And yes, everything about the hair will be in the description box, the products I use. Y'all don't even know how late it is. Your girl is out on a school night. Yeah, I'm about to wrap it up. So yeah, y'all, make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.